Functional Physio presents ePoster 2020. Associated by Mind Academy and Sportson.
Presenter G. Harshavardhan. On title Trigger Finger.
My topic is trigger finger. So, trigger finger is a painful condition that causes the fingers or thumb to lock when bent. So, this happens because the tendon sheet which is covering the tendon will be getting inflamed. So, when inflammation occurs, that inflammation narrows the space within the sheet. So naturally what happens is the narrowed space pulls the tendon and flexes the tendon. So this is how the condition is being occurring. So when this happens, when the same mechanism happens in the thumb, then it will be called as triggered thumb. So basically the inflammation can either because of the repeated mechanical activity or because of any infections. So the incidence of this condition is more common in women than in men, and that too more common in between the ages of 40 to 60 years. And apart from that, farmers and industrial workers are also getting more affected by this condition, and musicians are also getting affected because they're using the fingers flexion and extension movement quite a long time, quite a many number of times. And smokers are also seems to be getting this condition more because of the repeated movement of thumb to light that cigarette by using the lighters. So next, when we are considering about the causes, it's mainly because the inflammation occurs because of the repeated movements or forceful use of the finger or thumb. And apart from that, rheumatoid arthritis, gout, diabetes, or other causes. And one more important cause is that grasping something with a firm grip for a long time. So whenever this occurs, whenever we are grasping something for a long time, the inflammation occurs and that causes a trigger finger. So in severe condition, the finger may be locked in a bent position. So that we should not allow. That's why the treatment should be done very earlier. Next, when we are considering about the symptoms, since this is occurring because of inflammation, naturally the main symptom is swelling. Second most commonly observed symptom is pain when bending. Means if the finger is flexed, when you are trying to extend the finger or straighten the finger or even bend more, pain will be aggravated. And third is the tender lump in the palm, which can be easily seen. And fourth is catching or popping sensation in fingers. And fifth is the stiffness, and that worsens after inactivity. And when coming to treatment, in some cases the trigger finger gets solved by themselves without any treatment. In others, first line of treatment is the rest, and medication involves the NSAIDs, that is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, that is mainly given to relieve the pain since it causes much pain. Then we can go for splinting. Then next treatment is corticosteroids, and it's well known that we are using steroids to reduce the inflammation. If none of this works, lastly we will go for surgery and we'll release the trigger. So it is surgery is it's just a minor surgery, and the success rate is almost 99%. If once we are doing this surgery, the condition can be recovered. But even this condition has got some complications. That is, the main complication is the incomplete extension, and second is the persistent triggering, and one more most threatening complication is the further infections. So when we come to recovery part, most people after going to surgery, they recovered like completely. They're recovering 99%. The success rate is 99%, and almost everyone are recovering after surgery. And these recovery are complete within few weeks. That is another important thing. But one more thing which has to be noted is they should be under complete rest. They should not allow the fingers to work. Then that may worsen. So that is the thing. But if the stillness occurs, the physiotherapy has a main role to play here. They can reduce the pain and release the trigger so that trigger can be released. That's it. And being a condition which can limit the functional activities, it has to be addressed immediately, because the pain being patient will be suffering, and it has a potential to limit the functional activities, so it has to be treated as early as possible. Thank you.